wetland ecosystem is an area of land that is covered in water for part or all of the year. Wetlands can contain freshwater or saltwater and are often found in low-lying areas near lakes and rivers or in coastal areas.
Research has proven that long-term wetlands can be one of the most efficient and cost-effective ways to reduce excess nutrients, including phosphorus in our waterways. Wetlands offer a natural filtering process and help to achieve our goals in several ways.
The water-covered soil in a wetland is often rich in minerals, which helps support a great variety of plants. Common plants include water lilies, duckweed, catstails, and a variety of bushes, ferns, and short trees.
Wetlands slow the flow of water to allow nutrient-laden sediment to settle and help prevent further movement of contaminants. Aquatic vegetation helps with processing and removal of nutrients and other contaminants, helping to prevent its flow further down the waterway. Soils can absorb and hold phosphorus and other nutrients, trapping them on the landscape. Keep in mind, in the event of a significant rainfall, the increased flow of water could carry more contaminants into the waterway. Overall, wetlands designed for nutrient reduction can make a significant improvement in water quality. The advantage of the wetlands approach is that it allows us to address multiple problems at the same time, including removing other contaminants like nitrogen, providing carbon storage, and restoring critical habitat that promotes a diverse array of wildlife. Outdoor enthusiasts will agree that wetlands are great for hunting, fishing, and wildlife viewing.
With an abundance of water and variety of plants, wetlands support a great diversity of animal populations. The organisms within each population interact and reproduce. A great variety of birds can be found in wetlands, which provide them with food, a safe place to reproduce, and a place to rest during migration. Wetlands attract a great variety of frogs and other amphibians that are dependent on water for reproduction. You'll also find a variety of reptiles, like alligators, turtles, lizards, and snakes. Wetlands are home to a variety of different mammals. Giant moose wade in the shallow water in search of food. There's beavers, coipus, and capybaras too. Underwater, you'll find an abundance of fish. You'll find them out of water too. As the amount of water in a wetland changes from season to season, the type and diversity of organisms can change. When the wetland is at its driest, plants may die and there are usually fewer animals. During the wet season, plants grow back and animal diversity also increases. There's a rich diversity of insects and other small animals too.